Mr. Sahib. Just a couple of interconnected, one question, just with two. Since last 2 years, being from Peshawar, I see Afghanistan's army in a much better shape than Pakistan. The dollar rate is much better over there, although you're using very complicated words, but I want to know why is that? Especially keeping in view that whenever rulers come in Pakistan, they have such huge expenditures. People from Washington, D.C., when they look at us, they wonder, how do we beg with such a beautiful smile? Like, they really wonder when they're at home. They don't tell you that, but they really wonder that. Second thing is, with the economy, justice system is also, today we have a journalist colleague who was killed 2 years ago. Till today, his justice is not served. Today is the second anniversary. My personal example, $1.5 billion property, living since 40 years on it. 4 years ago, somebody did some paperwork in it. It's been 4 years now, but a 40-year property. Justice and this over-expenditure with Afghanistan comparison, these two questions are...
Yeah. I'm not sure I'm the right person to answer some of your questions, because I would certainly not agree with you that Afghanistan's economy is doing better than Pakistan. So we have a fundamental disagreement, but you'll have to call the finance minister of Afghanistan to ask him around what is happening there, because you just brought one marker, but we have to look at the broader picture. And I spent at least 10 to 15 minutes explaining around our macroeconomic stability and where we are. I also made an attempt in terms of what the federal government is doing in terms of reducing our expenditure. And I started by saying it's a fair observation, it's a fair pushback that we need to bring down the federal government expenditure, and it's through right sizing, through pension, through debt servicing, etc., which we will continue to work on. I'm just not in a position to talk about the legal aspects, not my domain.
Sure.